2025 Tesla Model Y represents the latest evolution of Tesla's vision. Sleek, intelligent, and refined for a new era of electric mobility. From the front, the vehicle makes an immediate impression with a bolder yet minimalist design. The fascia has been subtly reshaped for aerodynamics, with a cleaner, more sculpted surface that directs air seamlessly over the body. Slim, angular LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, their new adaptive lighting system capable of adjusting brightness and beam spread based on road conditions and vehicle speed. There's no traditional grille, just a smooth, confident surface that reinforces Tesla's design philosophy of functional minimalism. Beneath the bumper, airflow inlets blend form with function, channeling air efficiently to cool the brakes and improve high-speed stability. Front cameras, radar, and sensors are discreetly embedded around the badge and lower fascia, hinting at the vehicle's full self-driving capability without cutting the aesthetic. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Model Y shows refinement over reinvention. The tail design has been reworked with a stronger sense of width and planted stance. New LED taillights offer a dynamic, sequential lighting animation when signaling, adding flair to an otherwise purposeful design. The rear spoiler is more seamlessly integrated, aiding both aesthetics and aerodynamic performance. A redesigned rear bumper incorporates subtle fins and air diffusers, enhancing drag efficiency while maintaining the vehicle's clean profile. The gloss black Tesla badging now features a sleeker, more modern font, standing out crisply against the body color. Rear-view cameras and ultrasonic sensors are flush-fitted, maintaining a clean and futuristic rear surface. Dual-motor and performance variants receive updated badging and a sportier lower diffuser. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the front, Tesla keeps its tradition of combining practicality with surprise. Open the front compartment and you're greeted by a deep, weather-sealed storage space that offers enough room for a couple of carry-on bags, groceries, or charging accessories. There's no clutter, no engine components or tangled wires, just clean design and function. A small panel near the back gives service access to essential fluids like windshield washer and thermal management system. Tesla has taken extra steps to ensure the front lighting is durable, easy to clean, and softly padded for fragile items. The front latch mechanism is smoother than ever, operated either by the touchscreen, voice command, or Tesla. The front not only represents smart use of space, but also Tesla's commitment to rethinking what a vehicle's engine bay can be. Step inside the front cabin and you're welcomed into a driver-centric, tech-luxury cocoon. The updated 15-inch center display remains the centerpiece of the interior, but its bezels are thinner and the software faster, with improved multitasking and a more intuitive voice assistant. The steering setup varies by trim, either a minimalist yoke or a new redesigned compact wheel with haptic touch controls and scroll functionality. The interior materials reflect Tesla's sustainability ethos. Vegan leather upholstery, recycled wood accents, and newly introduced ambient lighting that offers a spectrum of customizable tones, softly tracing the dash and door contours. Seating is improved in both ergonomics and cushioning. The driver and passenger seats are now ventilated and come with Tesla's new Auto Comfort positioning, which adjusts posture and lumbar support dynamically based on trip length and road conditions. The panoramic glass roof, stretching unbroken from windshield to rear hatch, floods the cabin with natural light and UV protection, giving an open, airy sensation that contrasts beautifully with the quiet hum of the drivetrain. In terms of tech, the cabin is more advanced than ever. Tesla's sound system has been upgraded with 22 speakers and spatial audio processing for a richer, more immersive experience. Noise cancellation is built into the audio profile, helping create a near-silent cabin even at highway speeds. Wireless charging pads are now integrated seamlessly into the center console, with high-speed USB-C ports and improved storage compartments tucked neatly beneath the armrest and dashboard. Every surface feels intentional, clean, modern, and easy to maintain. Climate control is distributed through Tesla's signature invisible air vents, which now allow passengers to control airflow via the screen or even gestures. Altogether, the 2025 Tesla Model Y blends futuristic design with daily usability, proving once again that Tesla isn't just building electric cars, it's redefining what a vehicle can be from every angle, inside and out. Whether you're admiring its aerodynamic silhouette from the curb or settling into the driver's seat for a long ride, the Model Y feels less like a machine and more like a companion. Quiet, confident, and unmistakably next-gen.